So there's been yet another postponement in the matter regarding Bosasa, the former facilities management company, and the Correctional Services Department. The three co-accused, Linda M.T., Patrick Gillingham and Andries van Tonder, were ready to proceed, but former Bosasa COO Angelo Agrizzi was a no-show due to ill health. His legal team says he recently had minor heart surgery and he cannot be in court. And of course, you'll remember he blew the whistle at the State Capture Commission on the alleged corruption going on within Bosasa. The National Prosecuting Authority has now been granted access to his medical records to determine if he really is unfit to be present in court. eNCA's Heidi Giokos was there and filed this report.
Angelo Agrizzi is unwell and can't stand trial. This is according to his legal team. Agrizzi was expected to be in the Pretoria Specialised Crime Court on Wednesday regarding the 1.8 billion rand Bosasa and Correction Services fraud matter. A warrant of arrest was issued but was not enforced after the court looked at Agrizzi's medical records.
Unfortunately, his health condition is not good. He's dependent 24 hours a day on oxygen, even special oxygen when he sleeps, the bit of sleep that he gets at night. We also handed into the court the full list of chronic medication that he has to take daily, some of it twice a daily, just to keep him alive. And he's unfortunately permanently dependent on oxygen. This all arose from the 14th of October 2020.
The National Prosecuting Authority has been given consent to view Agrizzi's medical documents, but also to appoint an independent medical team for an assessment of Agrizzi and whether or not he is fit to stand trial.
There have been a number of warrants of arrest issued against Mr. Angelo Agrizzi since October 2020. However, they've been stayed. They've been held over because Mr. Witz has actually provided medical reasons as to why Mr. Angelo Agrizzi isn't before court. But I think what I must also stress is that as a state, if this continues, we have told court numerous times that we will then proceed with a Section 67 if need arise to compel him to basically come to court and to basically use that for him to forfeit his bail. But currently what we're actually focusing on is that a state-appointed independent pulmonologist has been appointed. We'll start examining Mr. Angelo Agrizzi to determine whether or not he's fit and proper to stand trial, which is something that we've been saying from the onset, that this is what we want to do.
The matter has been referred to the Pretoria High Court. Heidi Giokos in Pretoria.